This altcoin rally is the rally of crypto games or of crypto gaming marketplaces, and so Prom seems to be ideally positioned for that. Now it rallied quite a bit, plus 46% in the last day alone. But the big question is, how sustainable is that rally? Especially given that we've seen a massive pump and dump before. Now you will not see me go through the website and talk about the marketing jazz, etc. We are going to look at the data that most people are not looking at, either because they're too lazy or because they don't have the tool. Now what could be the reason for this pump and dump? A potential reason could be the increasing supply. So since July of 2019 to today, the supply almost 5x'd. That being said, we are stable for the last 1.5 years. So probably the early investors and the team already got their allocation, already got their token unlocks. Now when there's no more tokens to unlock, is the team still working actively on the project? And unfortunately, looking at the GitHub repository, I can't really confirm this. An update more than 4 months ago, another one more than 7 months ago. There is barely any activity whatsoever in the public GitHub repository of prom.io. And so we are faced with a dilemma, right? If there's no more development happening and no more unlocks, who has interest in raising the price? Who's currently buying? Is this small retail? Is this the big whales? Is this manipulation by the big exchanges? Let's have a look at the on-chain data. Here's a tool I have developed myself. It's available to the premium members. Feel free to check that out. thebitcoinstrader.com. Link is down below. We've got two versions of the token. This one is the token on the Ethereum chain. And on the left side, we've got the number of wallets that hold at least 100 Prom tokens. At the current price, that's $766. It's small retail, so to speak. In the middle, we've got medium-sized retail, so we go at 10x here. We've got a minimum holding of 1,000 tokens, so almost $8,000 worth of the token in a single wallet. On the right side, we've got the whales with a minimum holding of $80,000 or 10,000 tokens. Now those are very, very long-term charts, and they've got these erratic movements in here as well. Those movements are likely related to bridging or to staking. So let's just look at the last 30 days. This is the same thresholds, the last 30 days. We see a little bit of accumulation, but look at how little the growth actually is. It's 4 whale wallets, it's 15 smaller wallets. That's on Ethereum. Let's look at the 30-day chart also on the Binance Smart Chain. Pretty much the same picture. The number of holders haven't really changed. Now, isn't that fascinating? How can the price go up like this when the number of holders isn't increasing? I think it might be, unfortunately, manipulation. Because have a look at this. This is the trading volume on different exchanges. And we don't even see the decentralized exchanges here. When we order by the 24-hour volume, we mainly see Binance dominating the trading. $25.4 million traded in the last 24 hours. And on top of that, there are also derivatives. There are perpetuals, xt.com and Bybit dominating here. Now, could this rally last longer? Yes, of course it could, but it's not a natural rally. It's not like a lot of people get interested in the token. It is pure manipulation, and I do not dare to predict what the manipulators decide on the token. I cannot look into their heads. I don't like the fundamentals. I don't like that there's not more development here, and I don't want to play directly against the centralized exchanges. I personally stay away. If you want to stay informed with objective reviews, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.